So let me see. 3 days. This breakthrough challenge. Super of intensive. So,
What is up, you guys? Welcome to the 3-Day Business Breakthrough Challenge. My name is Jonathan Montoya, and I'm actually super excited to bring this training. Hey, what's up, you guys? So welcome to day Business Breakthrough Challenge. Today's going to be a really exciting training because I'm going to take you through step by step, click by click, and I'm going to show you how to get your first Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome to day number 3 of the Business Breakthrough Challenge. In today's training, we're going to talk about traffic. This is my favorite subject to talk about, and I'm really excited to bring this training to you guys. Now, guys, traffic is the lifeblood of your business. The more traffic you drive to your automated system, the more money you're going to make at the end of the day. So we're going to dive deep into traffic, and a lot of people get stuck here because they don't know how to drive traffic. Well, guys, I'm going to break down everything for you, and I'm going to show you how you can drive traffic to your business as fast as possible. So let me switch screens here so you guys can see this a little better, and then we'll get started. Now, I did promise you guys at the beginning of this 3-day challenge that I was going to give you my exact scripts, my exact outlines that help my content go viral. So you can see here, these are just some of the outlines, some of the scripts that I have right here. And you guys are going to get access to this if you watch till the end of the 3-day challenge. This is just my bonus to you guys to help you guys get started in your business and start driving traffic as fast as possible. Now, this bonus is not going to be in the links down below. It's actually going to be at the end of this video. So make sure to watch to the end to get access to this. And guys, I'm also going to show you how you can tap into my personal business today. Now, I didn't want to give this to you day number 1 because I want you guys to learn the high ticket skills that you need to build your own business. Now, I do know that this takes time, right? It takes time to build out the email sequences, build out your funnels, build out the websites, build out your content. So while you're doing that, I'm allowing you to tap into my business while you're doing that. So I'm gonna talk about that at the end of this video and how you can tap into my business while you're building your business on the back end. So now I quickly want to go over day 1 and day number 2 of the Business Breakthrough Challenge. Before we dive deep into traffic, I want to make sure you guys have your automated business and your automated system already built out. So in day number 2, if you recall, we built out our funnel, our email list, our automated email follow-up, and then we found an offer. So make sure you guys have this done. If you haven't, go back to day number 2, and I show you step by step how to build your first business before we actually get the traffic. But once this is built out, guys, all we got to worry about is sending traffic, right? We have the system built out. It's an offer that's already proven to sell. We're building our email list, which is the most important part, as you recall. And now all we got to do is worry about traffic, right? So which traffic sources do we choose, right? I'm sure you've heard of so many, right? There's YouTube, Google, TikTok, Facebook, Pinterest, paid traffic, free traffic, SEO, right? So many traffic sources. Which one do we choose? And in today's video, guys, I want to go over 3 main traffic sources. One's going to be more viral traffic if you're looking for instant traffic, almost instant traffic, but free. And I'm going to show you a paid traffic source that's very, very targeted, but is instant traffic to your funnel and to your offer. And then I'm going to show you a more long-term sustainable traffic source that's going to give you traffic for years and years to come. So I'm really excited about that. Before we get into that, I want to talk about some success stories, guys. This is Fraser McDonald on the left. He just started his YouTube channel not that long ago when he posted this, and you can see here his videos are already ranking at the top, okay, which is very, very powerful, right? If you can get your YouTube videos shown at the top, you can get more eyeballs on your content, which gets more people going to your automated system, more people on your email list, more money, okay? Again, more traffic equals more people on your email list equals more money per month, okay? Now, again, here is Evan Eugene Wong. They said we hit our first 500 subscribers using Jonathan's methods. Now, this is just YouTube here, guys, but also TikTok. Check it out here. Victor Paredes here. He's doing $1,000 a day using my TikTok methods, okay? Which I'm going to talk about some of these in just a little bit, all right? Now, guys, one thing I want you guys to understand is traffic is abundant, okay? I want you to have a mindset that there's enough traffic for everyone, okay? There's so much traffic. I don't want you to have this
cookie
mindset
cutter stuff
that
here.
like
That's why we're getting
the scarce
on the
mindset,
phone
right?
with you.
That there's
Okay,
not enough
so
traffic in the
start
world,
working
guys.
through